TourTrack was created to provide corporate clients with consistent, high-quality, and professional national photography services. RTV can provide our photographers with additional work and the chance to expand their portfolios beyond real estate photography by offering photographic services to national clients. We work with national hotel chains, apartment management companies, senior living residences, and more. RTV does all necessary editing in-house, so photographers only need to schedule, shoot, and deliver raw image files to RTV to complete an order. Let's get started by reviewing your account settings. First, log into Fusion and go to the TourTrack section under the Settings tab. The RTV account managers examine this information before dispatching an order to our photographers. This is how we will know if you are capable of completing the requirements of an order. Please fill in the make and model of your camera body or bodies, the lenses you have, aerial drone equipment, and any information on the lights and reflectors you own and are experienced in using. The toggles below are the different capabilities that you can enable. Please only enable a capability if you are able to provide professional quality work in that area. Don't forget to update this section when you get new gear. Still images need to be bracketed, raw files. Currently, for 360-degree panoramas, we are not accepting imagery from one-shot cameras and require the use of an 8mm lens with a panoramic rotator and raw, bracketed shots. The aerial photography gear field should only be toggled if you have the FAA certification and are adequately insured to provide commercial aerial photography. If you have completed the Google certification on your own and you are a trusted independent photographer, you can mark the certified Google TIP toggle. Fields to be completed by RTV include the round-trip distance you will travel before charging mileage. This is a round-trip number and not one-way. RTV will pay the current federal standard for mileage when you travel beyond this range. Keep in mind that photographers with larger, non-charge ranges will receive TourTrack opportunities before photographers with smaller ranges when applicable. Please reach out to us to make any adjustments to this field. It is required that RTV Inc. be named as an additional insured on your commercial insurance policy. Once you have coverage in place and RTV Inc. is named as an additional insured, please email a copy of the declaration page to both am@realtourvision.com and rtvadmin@realtourvision.com. Each year, as you renew your insurance policy, be sure to send us a copy. You can also add a copy of your proof of insurance to the insurance section of the TourTrack settings. The company information section will put you on our map. This is the second most important item to fill out. If your address is wrong or not listed, you will not show up on our dispatch map. And if you're not on the map, you won't get any orders dispatched to you. To get here, click on the company section under the Settings tab. Supplying us with the information for each of these fields will assist us in dispatching RTV TourTrack jobs to you. It also helps us calculate distances for orders that may need mileage included. The last area to add your business information is the Profile section. The email address you will use for your RTV system login name is the email that will receive all of the system emails and order messages from RTV. If your email address changes, be sure to update it here. This is also where you can change your password if needed. Please include your primary phone numbers in this area so we can quickly contact you regarding orders. This is especially critical in cases involving rescheduling requests and urgent orders. Please let RTV know if you have a change of email or address to make sure your account is updated correctly. RTV needs a current W-9 and direct deposit form on file for all photographers so payment can be issued. Be sure you review our TourTrack guidelines. Our TourTrack guidelines are step-by-step instructions on every detail of the TourTrack process. You will find our most up-to-date TourTrack guidelines document on the TourTrack orientation page located on your dashboard under the Vendors and More section at the bottom of the page. The link to the most up-to-date TourTrack guidelines will be on the TourTrack orientation page, along with several other important resources. If you are interested in TourTrack and would like to sign up, please contact us directly at tourtrack@realtourvision.com. Let us know if you have an existing RTV account or if you're new to RTV. We will also need to know your address, coverage area, and photography capabilities. Please include a sample of your imagery for us to review. If you are interested in still photography or 360 panoramas, please be sure to send us unedited raw bracketed image files, as RTV does all editing in-house. We will review your information and give you feedback. If RTV needs coverage in your area and your sample files meet RTV's format and quality standards, we will send you information on how to set up your account. Once your account is set up in our system and we have all the necessary tax and insurance information, we will be able to make you available on our dispatch map for future national photography orders. Thanks for stopping by and welcome to Tour Track.